guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nabi. So I've been doing a little bit of searching lately, and then I came across another video that I did not do justice to, and this video is of dry fish and raw cabbage salad. It is absolutely delicious, and this recipe is something that is so delicious that it should not be lying in the hard disk, and I decided that I'm going to release this video. And this video was also shot back in the days when I just started YouTubing, and the format is of a lower quality, but nonetheless the recipe is great. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. The ingredients required are 250 grams of fresh cabbage, 1 onion finely sliced, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 7 to 8 chilies, 9 to 10 dried fish, and salt to taste. So the first thing that you need to do is heat a pan, then add the oil. Allow the mustard oil to heat because the mustard oil has a very pungent smell. Then add all of the ingredients except for the cabbage and stir fry. Salt. Season it. Looks like it's done. Now you can take it off the fire. Now using a mortar and pestle, crush everything except for the cabbage. It smells so nice. I have dry fish juice on me. It looks like the paste is ready. Now all you need to do is mix it with the cabbage. Oh, remember the cabbage needs to be fresh and raw. Do not cook the cabbage. The crispiness of the cabbage and the oily pungent paste goes really well. And mix it well. Serve this as a side to your meals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Until then, take care and stay indoors.